By now, you should be familiar with formatting cells in Excel. I will format this Excel report so it looks like the one in PDF. Notice that the logo in the PDF report is yellow. So, I just color the cells A1 and A2 yellow. Then I format the date. Now I draw single line borders. Then I draw thick line borders. Next, I center the text in the table headers. Notice that the PDF report shows unit cost and units sold written in 2 lines. We have 2 ways of achieving this. The first is by just writing the second word in the cell below, like this. The second option is by merging 2 cells and wrapping the cell contents within them, like this. Now I need to adjust the column widths. This will make the words unit cost to be displayed in 2 lines. Next, I align the title Product A to the right. And I color the cells blue. Then I color the letter A red. Next, I make the headers and title text bolder. Then I format the numbers. Finally, I color the cell that contains the formula to calculate sales green. As a result, the table in the Excel report looks like the one in PDF. Watch the videos that follow to see how I make this report look exactly like the one in PDF.